Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar and to a very goody old song from the 90s, I think 93 or so. This is Nirvana's Something in the Way. What a legendary band this was, and yeah, I remember listening to them first time back in the late 90s maybe or so, and yeah, I just fell for the whole vibe, the everything they play, and I was very stuck into this kind of playing these songs, and anyway, a lot of words we can speak about Nirvana and their style. Anyway, this song is called Something in the Way. It's about 2 chords, comes from the Nevermind album, and let's go into it. 2 chords only. We have a special tuning here, and that is the drop C tuning. That means you need to match up the E string here with the C note, and you find that one on the 3rd fret A string. So if you play the 3rd fret A string, then that will match up with this E string, which is now lowered very much. So I don't have any tutorial on that. You have to search for it, for drop C tuning. Basically that means you turn the knob towards you, half turn, like 180 towards you, somewhere around that area, maybe a little bit more actually, and you will get that C match. All right, so with that we have 2 chords, and the grip will be 4th fret on E string, and then I play just a short little bar on the 2nd fret on the A and D string, and that is what you need because you're gonna play only on the bass strings here. The E, A, and D string, now it's the C of course, but the last bass strings up there, that is what you're gonna play. That is the first grip, okay? I will call it the G sharp because it's the G sharp note basically, normally when it's a standard tuning here. So the G sharp, and then we have the E, what I will call the E, and that looks like this now. So it's the open E string, which is now the C, open E, then 3rd A, and 2nd D. If you come down to the open G string as well, it doesn't hurt and kill anybody. It's okay to play down there as well, but stay at this bass strings. Now it's very, very easy. You grip one of them, like the G sharp, and you play down, 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 up. Sounds nice, fat and dark. All right, so down, 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 up, and then a shift chord to this 1 string rumper chord, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And so on. And that's the whole song. Nirvana, Something in the Way. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. If you did, give me a like on this one. Why not? So keep in mind, always play tuned. And that is with drop C tuning.